On laughing parrot. Hi, parrot. Once there was a parrot flying, flying, flying. He was very hungry. He saw a mango tree. He came down, took the mango, and he ate the mango. Nom, 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 nom. Yummy. Yes, mango, yummy, yummy. Then he's tired and he is sleeping. He slept on the mango tree. When he was sleeping, he woke up, he heard the sound. Oh my God, it's a roar of a tiger. It's a tiger. I'm scared. He woke up and he asked another parrot on the tree, hey, did you hear the sound of a tiger? The roar of a tiger? He's laughing. And he went inside the hole. He went inside the hole. Again, it's his home. Again, the parrot is sleeping and he again woke up. What did he hear? He heard the bark of a dog. Oh my God, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. He came out and he asked the parrot, hey parrot, did you hear the bark of a dog? Again, that parrot is laughing. Why are you not answering my question? And he again went inside the hole, that home on the tree. He slept again. And he heard the sound again. This time it was a meow of a cat. He's so scared.
But they can fly. They can do the cats.
He wants to sleep. If it is really a cat, he'll fly away. So he don't know if it was really a cat. So he's asking, did you hear the meow of a cat? And he's not answering. He's just laughing. And this time, when he is going inside the hole, the parrot followed him and said, wait, hey gentleman, wait. Why are you not answering my question? Did you hear the bark of a dog, the meow of a cat, and the roar of a tiger? And he is laughing and he said, that's me. I can roar like a tiger. I can bark like a dog. I can meow like a cat. I can take out all the sounds. And he said, oh, it was you. Hey, how could you do that? Will you teach me, please? He said, okay. Will you be my friend? He said, okay. Let's stay on the tree together. Having friends is so much fun.